Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Financial Fitness, and in today's video we're going to talk about how you should invest $100 as we continue to navigate this new reality in 2020. First off, I'm assuming that you have $100 that you don't need for your day-to-day life, and even if you don't have this $100, I'm assuming it's not too difficult for you to save up this $100. So the steps I'm about to share with you guys apply to everyone, ladies and gentlemen, regardless of age. And if you do apply these steps in your day-to-day life, I can almost guarantee you guys certain financial freedom. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First off, if you have just $100 to invest today, there's no get-rich scheme that's going to turn that $100 today into $1 million by tomorrow. No! Anyone who tries to sell you a course, a pyramid scheme, or some kind of get-rich quick scheme is a thief, and they need to be locked up. However, there are 4 simple life choices you can make today that will change your life forever and set you on the path towards your goals of financial freedom. Trust me, you cannot put a price on happiness and financial freedom. First step is what I call the physical investment. You need to invest in your physical appearance. I can't stress enough how important it is to look, feel, and be healthy. Take good care of your body, guys, as this is the only place you have to live in till you die. This is not the Matrix, so you don't just get the chance to jump out of your body and pick a whole new body. So you have to make do what you got and work on it to be better, healthier, and stronger. A good first step in this direction is getting a gym membership. When it comes to gym membership, there's a lot of options to choose from. I know there's a bunch of gyms in almost every corner in every city. For instance, I know Planet Fitness, which is not my favorite gym, by the way. However, they are clean, good, and relatively inexpensive for beginners. They charge like upwards of $10 and they have 0 sign-in fees, so this might be a very good choice for some of you guys. In my opinion, this is a really good price. I know they charge $10 for the basic membership and $20 for the Black Card membership, and this comes with trainers, massages, and a whole bunch of other good stuff you might like. A second gym I really like to go to is Anytime Fitness. I know they charge about $30 per month in membership, and they also have 0 sign-up fees. So just like Planet Fitness, Anytime Fitness, they all have branches in almost every major city in the US. So if you're a person who loves to travel or who travels a lot, you probably would not have a problem finding a gym to work out in. Keep in mind there's also the option of working out in your house for free or in any park. There's a bunch of body weight movements you can do. You can find videos online on how to work out, and this could go a tremendous way in helping your physical health. So if you happen to be a minimalist like myself, you either choose the free workout at home version or the $10 gym membership from Planet Fitness. This means that if you choose the $10 membership, you have $90 left to invest. But if you choose the free, or if you already have a gym membership prior to this, you still have a whole $100 to invest. Good for you. Step 2 is what I call the mental investment. Keep in mind, guys, knowledge is power, and ignorance is not bliss. Ignorance is terrible. Ignorance is stupid. So you need to work on educating yourself. Know your self-worth, and regardless of what stage you are in life or what you might be going through or feeling, know that happiness can always be found. All you have to do is remember to turn on the light. Keep in mind that your present situation doesn't determine how far you're going in life. It doesn't determine your destination. It just merely determines your starting point. And your starting point doesn't depend on your destination. You can get there regardless. So I want to recommend 3 books as a good starting point for your mental education and wellness. The first book is a book called Man's Search for Meaning by the author Viktor Frankl. This is one of the most powerful books I've ever read, as it's a first-hand account of Viktor's experience as an inmate in the concentration camp back in the Holocaust of World War II. This man was separated from his family while he was captured as a slave. He was tortured, he was starved, he was beaten, but he still somehow managed to keep a positive mindset till he was liberated after World War II was over. This book will give you a whole new perspective on life and what it means to keep a positive mental health. You can pick this book up on Amazon for as low as $9 if you want the hard copy, or as low as $3 if you don't mind the audiobook. Or if you happen to be a minimalist like myself, you can read the audiobook free of charge here on YouTube. Link is in the description below. Next is a book called The Alchemist by author Paulo Coelho. This book is just an amazing read. It's going to give you a new perspective on life and make you ponder, think about life in general. It's about a fictional Spanish boy who abandons his life back in Spain to literally chase his dreams of finding treasures in the pyramids of Egypt. He sells all his belongings and starts his quest from Spain to Egypt. Along the way, he encounters so many challenges, trials, and tribulations, but he's somehow stuck to his goal of finding the treasures in Egypt. Upon getting to the pyramids in Egypt, he realizes the treasure he's been searching for all along was back in Spain where he lived, but he wouldn't have found this out without going on the journey in the first place. The premise of this book is that you always need to take chances in life, and success and self-fulfillment is more of a journey than an actual destination. You're gonna have to keep chasing that. You can pick this book up for for under $10 on Amazon, but I also have a link in the description down below if you prefer the audiobook, which is free here on YouTube. So go ahead and check it out. Last but not least book on this list is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by author Robert Kiyosaki. I'm sure every financial nerd on here can agree to this. This is one of those financial classics. For everyone chasing financial freedom, this is the book for you. In this book, Robert talks about having two dads. The first dad played life the right way, the safe way, went to school, went to college, had all the degrees possible, was a professor in college, but somehow stayed broke his whole life. The second dad dropped out of 9th grade, but somehow was able to build so much wealth that he could take care of his generations. This book would completely change your view on money. It will change your financial and your spending habits for the better. This book is very easy to read and you can get it for under $5 on Amazon. But if you prefer audiobooks, you can get it for free here on YouTube. Link is in the description below. Go ahead and check it out, please. I'd actually advise you guys to go ahead and purchase these books I just mentioned, as these books are classics and we need to support the authors for such incredible work. But however, if you happen to be a minimalist like me and you went the free route, this means you still have your whole $90 or $100 from the previous step. But if you paid for these books, you have about $65 left. So let's go to step 3. Now step 3. Step 3 is the only step here that's actually completely free, and is what I call digital minimalism. With technology has been an awesome servant for us, but at the same time, it could also be a terrible enemy to us depending on how you choose to use it. With social media, I feel like we're starting to get distracted from what's really going on. So once in a while, it could be a good idea to step away from these things and kind of focus on humans, on personal relationship and things that actually matter in life, like our personal goals. For instance, sometimes I find myself comparing the success or lack thereof of this channel to some of the other bigger financial channels like Andrew Jake and Graham Stephan. I have to pull myself back and be like, hey, just appreciate their greatness and appreciate the work and the contributions they make to the financial community. Just remember, never compare your level 2 to someone else's level 12. This is just a selfish aspect of the human nature. Just appreciate greatness whenever you get a chance to witness it. Now onto the fourth and final step of how to invest $100 in today's world. At this point, if you follow the previous 3 steps, you either have $90 or $65 left over. This brings me to my last step, which is generosity. Take 50% of whatever you have left and donate it to a cause you believe in. A lot of people are going through tough times right now, and it's important for us as human beings to extend a helping hand to those people. This means if you have $90 left, you're donating $45, and if you have $65 left, you're donating about $32. It's totally up to you whatever cause you want to donate your money to. This brings me to a quote by Pablo Picasso I really like, which states, "The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away." A simple act of kindness could go a long way in helping someone's life. Everyone is fighting a hard battle, and it's up to us to extend a helping hand to them. I honestly believe the trick to life is to get whatever you want in life. You just have to help enough people get what they want in life. That is the definition of success, guys. That's it for the videos. If you made it this far, please go ahead and like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. See you guys in the next video.